The SECRUI wireless door chime system stands out for its straightforward, wire-free installation that relies on adhesive mounting rather than drilling or special tools. Its wireless signal comfortably covers a long distance in open spaces, so the receiver reliably chimes whenever a monitored door is opened in a typical home or small business. The receiver offers a generous selection of different alert tones and an adjustable volume range, allowing you to tailor both sound type and loudness to your environment. At its highest volume setting, the alert is strong enough to be heard clearly from other rooms, which is especially helpful in busy households or retail spaces. The compact receiver design fits neatly into a standard wall outlet without blocking neighboring sockets, making it easy to place where you actually need the alert. With multiple sensors included, this system can monitor several entry points or interior doors at once, adding flexible protection for homes, offices, shops, and similar spaces.